everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now what we did to this machine is replace the O-ring gaskets on both of the boilers of this machine and also give it a tune-up, which means to replace the gasket of the portafilter as well as deep clean the shower head and the shower filter, descale the machine as well, and just a general cleaning overall. So let's test the machine. I should have used a manual instead. And as you can see, good crema and good color. Steamer working perfectly fine. Okay, I still have water. Okay, thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.